Test, test, test. All right. So, I guess I'm live and it's working. Maybe this music is too loud. I don't know. I guess if anyone complains, then I'll know, huh? All right. I don't know if I want to do the music right now. Just turn that off for now, I guess. All right. I'll gather my thoughts here. All right. So what we're doing is we're going to set up a triple boot system using DOS, OS2 Warp, and Slackware Linux. Now, a long time ago, I remember having to install the boot manager first for OS2, but let's see what happens. Okay, so we'll just skip out of here for now. We're gonna F-disk and stuff. Oh, okay, primary, no, 500 meg. What was that? Okay. Weird. Okay. All right. So we're gonna do this format. That's really fast. Kinda wanted it to be more emulated. Speed. About 1990. Let's say 1994. Change this to the OS2 disk just to see what it looks like here. If the system will even boot OS2. Sometimes that's a pain. So I set up dual boot systems with OS2 and wrong disk in. and DOS in the past, but not all three, not with Linux too. So I'm not sure what the order of operations here is, but I guess we'll find that out, won't we? Hmm. Assuming it's not freezing. Looks like I still got activity. Oh, shoot, I didn't put the disk in. And sticking much longer than I'd want it to. Did it freeze? Okay, no. Disk 2. Insert. Disk 2 is in there. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. All right. Oh, jeez. Okay. All right. So let's see. Move advanced. Like create. Install the boot manager there. Oh, I see. Okay. Can I just... Alright, so what did I decide I was going to have for... So it was 710 back. Memory. Startable. Partition. Alright. So now if we reboot again, see what happens here. Sorry for the squeaky chair. Waiting for the OS2 on speed similar hardware is crazy. All right. I know no one's in here, but just to kind of get the thoughts out, here's what I think the process is going to be. Right now, I'm just looking to see if after rebooting, I can set that 710 meg partition as installable. Because the thought here is that I'd install DOS and then install and Windows 3 for Windows for Workgroups, and then I would install OS2 and then install Slackware, which would come with Lilo, or probably not Grub. Those probably well before Grub, but in theory, once I get Linux installed, I can set up the boot manager to boot DOS, OS2, or Linux. That is the working theory. But I guess we'll see how that works. So, work or it won't. I probably need to get, that's while we're waiting on that, I probably need to get the yeah. All right. So there. Let's do advanced. Different. Okay. Okay. Boot manager. Create partition stuff. Start. Enter boot manager menu. MSDOS. Let's call it DOS. Okay. So what I think I need to do I can't format from here, can I? No, I would have had to. Okay. I guess I'm not remembering this right. So maybe what we'll do is we'll just delete. Let's go ahead and, nope. No, that won't work because I'm going to have OS2, DOS, OS2, and Linux. I'll have to have a primary, be an extended partition. Let's see. So here's the plan. We're just going to start with DOS. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's start with DOS, get that installed. In theory, that's probably what I would have done anyway back in the day. It is too configured. Maybe I have to delete. What? Okay. I think something broke it. Set active. Let's do start over on that. Let's see. Yes. We'll go get some coffee real quick. Oh, that's more. This is apparently going to take a minute, so I'll be right back while we're waiting. All right. Oh, wrong screen. All right, so 622. I guess it's called a DOS to match. Now we should be able to run setup. Now we just wait ever so patiently. Ever so patiently, I guess. I'm not entirely sure what all I'm going to do with this machine. Be used for some videos in the future, I think. It's kind of what all these live streams lately have been, is setting up machines to use in the future. If the other live streams are any indication, I'll probably end up playing Doom or Fallout on it. But I could do a video on Drive Space at some point. Yes. Oh, jeez. Remember when this used to be like common, I guess. Although I think I've lost a lot of knowledge on some of the more in-depth stuff. It's been a minute. It's a pretty cool streaming library. Spotify, although I don't know, I wish I had. I'm sure it'll come with time. Learning more about all this, I can and can't use for music. And volumes, I guess. Another thing to do backup things. We're doing that. All right. Excuse me. So on to Windows. Oh no, I gotta do the supplemental disk. I think it's just install. Let's pick the bat file. Yeah. That's what I thought it was. So setup DOS. All the things. I'm gonna do VGA. And now we're gonna wait. I don't know why that always comes up, but I'm just gonna go ahead and overwrite. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna do Windows. So for now, we're just going to do the vanilla Windows. Well, I really should reboot to DOS to see, or OS2, to see if we can install appropriately. I guess what I can also do is just make a backup of the drive. And just recopy everything off to the side. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Duplicate the VHD. Well, that's not really period accurate, I guess. Couldn't just make a copy. Well, I guess you could. I'm sure there were imaging things. Like Linux had DB at that point, I think. Just do. Just gonna ask for this. Okay. Sure. Sure. All the things. I guess after the stream, if anyone watches this, if you have any comments on, you know, ways of improvement, I suppose, and I should have other things on the screen. I don't know. I'm new to all this, so just trying to figure it out, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. But I'll get there, I'm sure. If there's any way I could do this like a vertical thing. 6. Got drivers, video. 16. Have TCP/IP on it. Sorry, I'm just doing things on the side here, waiting for Windows. Okay. So we have a text printer. Oh, cool. It found it. That's nice. So I need to get TCP/IP in here. Let's see what we get. It's not in here. I think, yeah, it's driver Z protocol. Wouldn't that be funny if it already had TCP/IP? Really? DOS and Windows is going to be the easy one for all of the things. So, network sound and video. I feel like I've done it a million times. So, I think Linux will be the most difficult. I mean, nowadays it's easy, but see, Slackware 3.1 was 96. Set up that to be default, and yes. I wonder if this. Good enough. I'm not sure. Let me look at settings real quick. It's probably 3. I mean, be the default, right? Oh, it's 10. Okay. Okay. So TTR. TR. Boot. For me. System. Okay, so there's the NE 2000. Once Windows is done to do the CD drivers, well, I don't really need Microsoft Mouse. Try the Sound Blaster. There's a few things I want to install here. All the modifications for me. Sure. Got them all. Yes. Oh, yep. Let's go ahead and reboot. Oh, no. Okay. Alright, so I want to do a couple things here before moving on. I want to first move this to the top. It's a V, I think. Don't have. Files equals 40, last strategy, buffers equal 256. Can IFSL be loaded high? try it. It'll work or it won't, right? Edit. Exact that. I don't like when things echo. Yeah, I should have that. And why would I want to load that? Alright, well, what I'll do is edit autoexec.bat. So we're going to want to put the LHC dot here, LHC dot yeah, that loads right. Oh. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, cool. So I have conventional 615K conventional free. Okay. For now, that is all I can do, I guess. So let's go to Windows. Installing some of these drivers. Works for me. Do Sound Blaster. You maybe? I don't know what to install. I don't know which of these are going to be a Linux or a Windows install or a DOS install. Beautiful. Sure. Okay, so 20 is the interrupt 5. Pretty sure that's what I determined it to be. RQ5, yeah. Alright. That should be good. I'm assuming that's disk 2. Okay. Installing all the things, I guess. I don't know why it's asking me for all these disks. I just gotta keep bouncing back and forth between disks, I guess. Weird. I think somehow these disks got messed up or something. Maybe when I made them, maybe I don't know where they came from. At least it does the error out when you have to change a disk. That's pretty nice, I guess. Okay, I'll reboot, don't worry. now a video. Okay. Sure. I gotta remember to talk, huh? Those two, I'm assuming. Oh. Weird. Okay. See what happens. Worker won't. Oh, there was sound too. I thought I had to reboot for that. Alright. Cool. Let's do something. Get out of there real quick. Go back and fix this and auto exec. Maybe I should have these at the top. That makes sense, right? Be before DOS. I'm sure there's an order to this, but I don't know what it is. And we want these to be set here because we have that. Sets H. All right. Let's reboot. The worker won't. Go. Him. so there's the Linux install. Or not Linux, but OS2. Alright, so how can we test? I just want to play Ganyan. I don't know if I like that, but whatever. Alright, so we're gonna, it should be main, close all this stuff. It's accessories. Order media player. Union.med. If it works. It sounds like it works to me. I get some echo here because I'm going to load my stream on my phone. Works to me. Cool. We are good. I need to actually load the right thing here. I want to go back into main, I think. Control panel. Desktop? Yeah. Wallpaper. Oh yeah, you can do that. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, that's... Gonna find... Oh, that hurts my eyes a little bit. I don't remember what... Oh, there it is. Okay. That's the wallpaper I used to always have. So exciting, right? Alright, so we got video, we got audio, and let's just ping A.A.A.A. We got network. Okay. Alright, so awesome Windows is done. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna shut down. And wait, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna shut it down. What is... Am I off center here? Okay. Like what? Alright. So, I know this isn't really period accurate here, but I'm gonna make a copy of the hard drive. Just in case this doesn't work. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna load it back up. That's a really annoying sound. Listing image. We're gonna load the installation disk. Oh, I need to, oh, the CD's already in there. Oh. Okay. All right, this is going to take a second, so I'm going to step away for a quick sec. I shall return momentarily. Still waiting on the OS2 screen here. Yes. It'll get here sooner or later. I guess I can start this. Oh, here we go. Okay. And then we're going to have to do this all over again here in a minute. Whenever we get the this stuff going. So go advanced installation, specify a different driver partition. At least 100 megabytes. So create partition 710. Primary partition, start a free space. Start it. Maybe C still needs to be started with that. So if I assign that. What? Startable. Oh, what? Insert the installation diskette. And we reboot again. Oh. The feeling I did this wrong. Feeling I would have needed to do the boot manager first. I guess we'll find out, right? This is going to take forever. Maybe it was a mistake to make it period accurate speed. I don't know. But I plan to stream all morning, I guess, so it works. This too. So let's see. Advanced. Specify. Okay, so do I have format? How do you format in OS 2? Can you format? I don't know. Alright, well, let's just hit it and see what happens. Gonna work or it won't, right? Made the backup, so should be fine. Then I think once I get to the Linux install, shoot, I needed to make the disks in DOS. Well, there's the DOS prompt. I could probably do it in the DOS prompt. All right. At least this is going a little bit quicker than the DOS installs. I'm glad I'm not doing it floppy at a time here. That would not be fun. Okay. All right. Well, while this is running, I'll be right back. I don't know if I'll be back before it's done. So it might be a couple minutes of dead air, but I'll be back in a bit. Maybe not perfect timing, but kind of okay timing, I guess. Go ahead and eject and reboot. You're gonna boot. Don't have any drive access. I don't have any CD access. Give it a few minutes, I guess, here, and hope it didn't just explode all over me. See the OS2 up in the corner. Oh, I think I broke it. Okay. All right. So, how do we fix this? Let's reboot back into OS2. We're going to go ahead and delete all the partitions and do it the way before, where I would, because I remember right, the process I did years ago was I would install the boot manager, then install DOS, and then install OS2. So maybe what we'll do, we're not going to go through all the DOS and OS2 or DOS and Windows installation stuff again. We will just put delete the partitions, create the boot manager. Yeah. Install the boot, delete the partitions, install the boot manager, reboot, put in the DOS, install disk, reboot, fdisk, add that disk. Okay, I think I know. I don't know how Slackware is going to fit into all this. I feel like I'll have double boot menus here. That's okay, I guess. Do you remember, like, a long time ago, there was a boot manager that I used? But it wasn't the DOS one, it was something else. But, or the OS2 one, it wasn't the OS2 one, it was something else. Alright, so enter advanced, specify. Okay. And delete this, install boot manager. Okay. Go ahead and create what is going to be the DOS. partition 7, 7, 10. Start a free space. Okay. Boot manager menu. Time C partition. Okay. Why? Maybe it should be extended. Okay, partitions 1, 0. Well, let's just do this. And get my DOS disk in there. Save an exit. Okay. All right. We'll just, okay. Let's see. Format CV MSDOS 62 S. Could take a minute again. All right. So this is going to be another point where I step away for a minute because it's going to take a little bit. Okay. Can I like my own thing here? Party? Oh, okay, I guess I can. That's weird. Anyway. While that's running, I need to set up the next here. Oh, interesting. So, I know it's blank screen. So it's going to be just a sec. I'll try to keep talking. Oh, again, no one's in here, but whatever. It's fine. Alright, we got that. So now we just need to copy all of these to here. Oh, I'd say I was going to try to keep talking, and then I just stopped talking. Alright. So let's start her back up. Alright, now through the magic of magic, everything's back. Alright. I don't know for the boot. Let's probably won't right now because that's set as active. Let's see what happens if I reboot. Interesting. Well, does it just keep booting the boot manager? Okay. Interesting. What? Auto. What is... Where did my auto exec and config.sys go? Did it just not let me copy those, or? What? Oh, dang it. I detected. Thought I was going to be slick there. Alright, so let's do this again. Take two, I guess. Then copy any of the things that were protected or hidden system files. We're just going to replace everything just in case. Alright. Now let's pretend that never happened. Detach that one. Detach that one. Now it's going to automatically work. There's config sys running. Start Windows, make sure everything is working as intended. Although I'm sure it made the recycle and system information folders. That's it. AH. probably have to just install something. Alright, I gotta start Windows anyway. I'll just do it in file manager. Thing seems to be working. How do I... I don't know how to... Oh, okay, I guess it's install learn command or something later. Now, let's go through this wonderful OS2 boot screen again. Because I guess I can do some Googling. I feel like it's been so long since I've done some of this stuff, so... Alright. This too. Like I've seen these screens a million times today. Okay, do additions of modify the partition 710. Yes. Okay. Add boot manager menu. Stop. Start up right now. Okay, so let's see how that works, if that works. All right, so this disk always takes a minute, so I will be right back while it's doing its thing. All right. Need to make it startable. What do I gotta do here? Maybe it has to be extended. Partition 710 extended. Boot again. I wonder if it's supposed to be like to then DOS. That's what it was. Create a DOS2 partition first. Could have sworn well, if this doesn't work, then I think I know what I'm doing next. So again, while this is doing its thing right now, I will be right back. All right. So, 2. Okay. I guess I can't. Why is this not working? I know this worked. I know for sure this worked. I don't know why I did that. So we'll just do this one more time. Make this a primary drive, primary partition. Partition. Start. Sign C. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Save and exit. Man, it's getting frustrating. Trying to reach into the deepest recesses of my archives here to remember what I was doing with this back then. Hoping to be done with stream by noon, but as per customary on this screen, since it's so long, I'll be right back. All right. Bring up anything different, or is this the exact same thing? What if I make this startable? Do I do anything? Do I have to make it? Alright. Oh, jeez. Tried to open what? Okay. Well, then we're just going to do this. Delete. Delete. Create. I'm pretty sure this is going to break DOS. Free space. Man, this is a nightmare. So, I'm gonna install DOS or install OS2 and then install DOS. I think that's what I shall do. If I do it that way, I can reload the drive thing, copy everything on. Sorry, I'm half thinking out loud here. I don't remember this being this much of a struggle before. But a long time ago. I mean, I've virtualized it since then and successfully done it. OS2 has always been a pain. Okay, and disk 2. Disk 2. Oh. And installation. What? Okay. This program failed due to an error. What file can it not access? It's all falling apart. I wonder if this system just isn't compatible with OS 2. Huh. Oh, maybe this stream is just not going to work out today. What else can I do then? I'm going to change my stream midstream. Or should I make a new stream? Okay. I think since we are making a major change in what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to stop this stream and restart a new one. Well, before I do, let us fix at least fix my mess up here. Oh, nope. At this. Play. Eight. Eight. No. All right. I wonder if I can format this. No, I can't sys it though. Oh, I could bring it up and sys it. All right. detach both of those. I guess what I could have done, I don't know why I did it that way. Let's recreate this. I make it a copy of it. It's called Disco again. Oh, dang it. Okay. Well, I'm back to DOS at least. Kind of frustrating, but it is what it is, I suppose. So we're going to change the title. Guide to multiboot OS. L2 boot multiboot OS. All right, that's good. Now that sounds too like depressive. I mean, I'm not mad or upset or anything, so just try to watch me try to multiboot OS. All right, make sure Windows works. Cool. Ish. All right. Well, it seems to be working. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this stream and take a little lunch break, breakfast break, whatever you want to call it, break, and then start it back up. I don't know what I'm going to do instead, but I'll figure something out. I guess thanks for sitting in on this stream, those who kind of popped in for a sec, or if you're going to watch it later, I'll have it on there when it shows up. Still building this channel up. I guess I should stop Spotify so you can hear me. So I'm still building this channel up, so if you have any ideas on what I can do, feel free to let me know. I know I've got a couple of comments or recommendations, one comment and some random messages, but I think it's just a matter of time. So again, thanks for joining, and I hope you have a great